Hi guys, today I will do a commentary and this time it will be a Peter Randall's project video. And I know this rant will suck because he gave a valid reason why he hates the project videos. Without further ado, let's begin.
Surprise egg videos, more like rotten egg videos.
Oh my god, is that the bad luck days you can come up with?
Oh my god, these videos suck. These involve so-called surprise eggs that inside these eggs are toys.
Well, that's what the point of this video is.
Some of the videos may contain the L-skate content. I hope these videos get removed from YouTube for good. Who likes these videos? Nobody.
Really, Peter? Really, Peter? Not everyone hates surprising videos.
Do you know who hates these videos? Chris Animate. He made a rant on these videos.
Well, I can tell if that sucks.
So screw surprise egg videos and screw finger family videos.
What the finger family videos have to do with the van? Even though I hate finger family videos, and like I hate nursery rhyme.
Angry video game nerd is 812 pounds.
What does angry nerd video game have to do with the van? Although I hate angry video game nerd.
932 times better than surprise egg videos. End of rant.
Well, that van sucks. Because he gave out a valid reason why he hates surprise egg videos. And it's time to end the commentary.